Ito ang bridal car na isa. Black and red yung isa. Yung pinalibutan nila doon. Ano, may picture taking eh. May picture taking.
Just one quick, thank you. Let's go inside and just
Can't hear you.
and everybody go inside and party.
Okay, party.
But before we get to the party, though, I think it's time that we have the bride and groom give us their first dance.
I just found out about you.
So if everybody can go inside.
Pasukan na.
Dance as a couple for the first time.
I didn't know that. Yeah, they had a freaking show right at the Oh, okay. Yeah, and so Ventures was playing on Sunday. And so he tells me that the son is
Good to go get food right
Hi,
now.
Miles.
So cool.
Hi. Good. Where's your son?
Somewhere over there.
Oh, sa Badibaro, your son. Pamangkin ng asawa ko. Kasi yung asawa ko, ano eh, malaki eh. Siyam sila. Nandito lahat. Kaya, malakihan. Malakihan ng ano. Okay. Ayun, apo ko na namin yan. Puti. Kapatid ng asawa ko ito. Yung palagi naglalike sa akin, si Des. Yun ang asawa niya. Katrabaho niya yung naging asawa niya dito. Puti. Kaya ngayon, pasukan na. Oh, yung anak ko doon, nakala mo, Tor. Ayan. Yung anak ko nakapabewang pa doon. Okay. Bye-bye. Ito tinatakpan na yung ano. Ito yung iniinom ko pala. Ito na yung pangalan ko. Ito, iba na yung ano. Iba na yung nagpaltakan ng asawa ko. Pangalan ko. Okay. Ito kay Marco. Asawa ko, andi dito rin. Okay. Bye-bye.